you have? Okay. Now, Kim, what do you have? Okay. So these are also classroom object for cleaning. For cleaning, power line. Okay. So teacher come go and bring the broom. You go and bring broom pass aside power line. Okay, pass aside you. Okay, Mommy, come and take the broom. Take it back. Okay, take it back. Okay. Paul, come for the mustard. Come for the mustard. Go for the mustard. Mustard. Okay, very good, very good. Chotam, come for the last one. Come for the last one. Chotam, take the last one. Okay. Now wait. What is the color of the last one? Okay. Ash or gray. Okay, very good.